Get started with Recall Chat by clicking the chat icon. Next, you can set context, select a specific card or a tag. In my case, I'll do SEO, AEO, or my research on AI search. Next, you can upload an image, a CSV. I personally won't do that now. And importantly, you can select your source, Recall on the web or just Recall only. On our Max plan, we also have all of the latest AI models. And in the left panel, you'll see personas. Here, you can give your AI a role, a behavior, or rules to follow. In this example, I'll ask about AI search. So what are the latest best practices on having your brand show up in AI search? So that's the new AEO, previously known as SEO. Here you can see I get an answer, which is a combination of a web search and the knowledge in my knowledge base. And you might notice that throughout the answer, I have these little blue chips. This is where a video is referenced. And when I click on it, it will play the exact moment in that video that was referenced with that specific timestamp. Additionally, if I scroll all the way to the bottom, what's great about Recall is that you can also see the exact sources that were referenced. So just coming to the bottom here, clicking on sources, you see everything that was referenced that lives in my knowledge base, and it doesn't end there. Click add to notebook, and essentially this answer now forms part of your knowledge base.